SpaceWIndu!
Hey there everybody, SpaceWIndu here from the FX Sabers forum and CivilizedSabers.com. This is a TriStar made from a trans-white blade tube from the Custom Saber shop. It's got the universal POGO connector on the bottom here for use with any Neopixel lightsaber hilt that you have that uses the 1-inch blade tube. It's called the TriStar because it actually has 3 Neopixel strips in a triangle formation. They are wrapped in heat shrink, and I got about 4 layers of heat shrink on it, which hopefully will bounce around the light. As you can see here, it's really encased in 4 layers of heat shrink to be extra diffusion, along with the foam, along with the nylon tube, and along with the blade stock. When you put this into your lightsaber, this will just automatically utilize the 3 strips inside, just as your normal Neopixel lightsaber would utilize the 2. Doesn't really know the difference. Just have the best battery that you can to run the extra strips. With the TriStar, you have the same color capabilities as other Neopixels that utilize the RGB color spectrum, and you will see you're capable of doing millions of colors and any of the effects that your lightsaber soundboard can accomplish. So if your lightsaber can do the fire effect or the electricity effect or any of the Profi effects or any of the Arduino Plector Labs effects, you'll be able to do them with the TriStar. One really cool thing about the TriStar is obviously it's a bit brighter than a standard Neopixel blade with 2 strips. This has got 3 strips, and you can tell when you put it in the lux meter. You will see here that this is nearly as bright as the TriStar Photonic inside the Photonic enhanced tube. This is just a standard trans white tube. You'll see we achieve here over 6,500 on the lux meter, just on a green color that I chose randomly. 6,700 and over when we're talking about the flash on clash. So it's a very, very powerful blade. Of course, we could go through and do a lot of the different colors. I just assumed that green was going to test as one of the brightest here, so that's why I did that for you guys. Blade I would say is more of a show blade. I would not duel with it per se. It has 3 strips, which means that it's got more components in it than a standard blade. and it's also costs a lot more. These TriStars on the Civilized Sabers website are nearly $400. Take a lot of work to make, and they have a lot of components in them. I hope you guys like this video. I'm SpaceWIndu. Like I said, from the FX Sabers forum, if you guys are interested in building your own lightsaber, you really should check out the FX Sabers forum. If you're interested in the brightest blades in the galaxy, check out CivilizedSabers.com. I've got a bunch of these TriStars listed in enhanced blue, enhanced amber, enhanced red, and also the photonic green, and in trans white. These are only available in the 1-inch. They have so many components in it that you can't fit it in the 7/8 inch.